10th problem. Find the equation of a line. In that second bit I am doing. Whose slope is -3 and which passes through the point -2, 3. So solution given. What they have given? Slope m is equal to -3 and a point, think as a, x1 comma y1 is equal to -2 comma 3. Are you able to follow? Now equation of a line. Equation of a line. They told to find equation of a line. Equation of a line when slope m and a point x1 y1 is x1 comma y1 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now y minus y1 place 3 is there is equal to m is -3 here, x minus x1 value is minus, so minus into minus plus 2. This is formula minus and this is here minus, minus into minus plus. Y minus 3 is equal to minus 3x plus into minus, minus 2 3s are 6. Bring everything to one side. So minus 3x will become plus 3x plus y minus 3 plus 6 is equal to 0. So simplify it. 3x plus y plus 3 plus 3, because 6 minus 3 is plus is more, plus 3 is equal to 0. They told to find the equation of a line. We got equation of a line. If you want to write 3x plus y is equal to -3 also correct only. Or general form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is the, so keep like this only, x, y, variable, constant. 11th problem. Find the gradient. Gradient means slope. Gradient or a slope. Slope we have to find, and y-intercept of each of the following lines. Here they have given lines. Equation of a line is given. We have to bring out from this one slope or gradient and y-intercept. So to bring out that slope or gradient and y-intercept, it should be in the form of which equation means y is equal to mx plus c. That is the equation of a line. We have to do in that form. So now minus 10y is equal to minus 5x plus 3. Y is equal to minus 5x plus 3 by minus 10. Y is equal to minus 5x by minus 10 plus 3 by minus 10. Separate it. Separate. Minus minus get cancelled. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. So y is equal to 1 by 2x plus of minus 3 by 10. Now I have brought in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Now you can write gradient. Gradient, that is equal to m is equal to 1 by 2. Next what they are asking? Y-intercept. Y-intercept. Y-intercept we call as c. C is equal to minus 3 by 10. Minus 3 by 10. Write clearly. Minus 3 by 10. What they ask? We are showing that one. Coming to the second one. This is two intercepts form. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Now I am going to write in equation of a line shape ax plus by plus c ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So here for 6 and 9, 3 is the LCM. 3 goes 2 times, 3 goes 3 times. What is LCM is 2, 3, 6. 6 3s are 18. Now 18 is the LCM. 6 goes 3 times, so 3x. 9 goes 2 times, so 2y is equal to 1. 3x plus 2y, cross multiplication, 18 ones are 18. Now 2y I am keeping here, minus 3x plus 18. Now y is equal to minus 3x plus 18 by 2. We want only y because y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to minus 3 by 2 x plus 18 by 2. Separate. Write separately. So 2 goes here 9 times. Y is equal to minus 3 by 2x plus 9. Now without asking you can tell which is slope. Therefore slope or gradient. They are asking gradient no. What name they ask, that name only write. Gradient, that is equal to m is equal to, in the place of, it is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. How to mention in the place of m minus 3 by 2. Gradient we indicate as m. Next y intercept place c place 9 is there. Therefore y intercept c is equal to 9. So like this you have to show this one. Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. Same problem. Find gradient and y intercept for each of the following lines in that third bit now. X plus 4 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 4. The actual meaning of this is parallel to y axis at a distance of minus 4 units. Are you able to follow? So here m is not there. M is slope. Gradient is undefined, not defined. Here m is not there. So gradient m is not defined. Not defined. And next y, they are asking about y now. Y has no intercept and the line has no y intercept. Why I told you? Parallel to y axis. So it is not at all intercepting on y axis, nowhere. So and the line has no y intercept. Coming to here, y is equal to 6 means parallel to x axis at a distance of 6 units. Y means x axis, x means y axis, keep in mind. And is equal to 4 means that much parallel is there, 4 units parallel to y axis. Parallel to x axis, how much distance means 6 units. Are you able to follow? Here, please here, m, y is equal to mx plus c. It should be in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. But here m is, can you see m here? M is not there, 0. So m is equal to 0. So gradient is 0. Slope is 0. Are you able to follow? Next, here C, y intercept is there. Y intercept C is equal to 6. Are you able to follow? Parallel to x axis. This is x axis parallel at a distance of 6. So near 6 it is intercepting. 12th problem. Find the gradient and the equation of a line passing through the points. Second bit I am doing. 2 points they have given. A x1 y1 as 4 comma minus 2 and b x2 y2 as 2 comma minus 3. So solution given. Let the 2 points let the 2 points be A x1 y1 is equal to 4 comma minus 2 and B x2 y2 is equal to 2 comma minus 3. First they are asking to find gradient. Gradient means what? Slope. Gradient or slope formula they represent as m. M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is equal to minus 3, minus of minus means plus 2 by x2 means 2, 2 minus 4, that is equal to minus 1 by minus 2. Minus minus get cancelled. We got slope as 1 by 2. Therefore, m is equal to 1 by 2. Write that one. M is equal to 1 by 2. Next, what they are asking to find? Equation of a line passing through the point. Any point you can take, either A or B. Now, you are going to find equation of a line. Equation of a line with slope m. Slope m and a point A x1 y1 is, you know the formula, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 plus minus 2 is there, minus to minus plus, so plus 2 is equal to m. Just now you got how much? You got 1 by 2 into x minus x1. x1 is 4. Write that 4 here. Now do cross multiplication. 2 into y plus 2 is equal to 1 into x minus 4. Now multiply. 2y plus 4. 2y plus 2 2s are 4 is equal to x minus 4. Now bring this left hand to right. X minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. X minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now what they told to find? They told to find the equation of a line. Now we got equation of a line. How much we got? X minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Write that conclusion. 13th problem. A straight line passes through the points P minus 1 comma 4 and Q 5 comma minus 2. It intersects x-axis and y-axis at the points A and B respectively. Respectively means A is on x-axis and B is on y-axis. First one to first point, second one to second. That is the meaning of respectively, accordingly. And M is the midpoint of AB. Now they are asking to find 3 bits are there. First bit, the equation of a line. Second one, the coordinates of A and B. And third one, the coordinates of M. Now I'll draw and I'll explain. Y-axis, x-axis, x dash, y dash. This is a line. On x-axis A, on y-axis B. Here is one point P and here is another point Q. P they have given minus 1 comma 4 and Q they have given 5 comma minus 2. Now you can understand clearly. Between AB there is a point M, which is midpoint that we have to find. This is P, this is Q. You can draw one circle or square. Now First bit, find the equation of a line. Here 2 points are given. Solution given. They have given P x1 y1 is equal to -1 comma 4 and Q x2 y2 is equal to 5 comma -2. First find slope. Slope of PQ we represent as M. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is equal to -2 minus 4 by 5 plus 1, that is equal to -6 by 6. One time, so -1. Therefore, M is equal to -1. Now we got slope. We are going to find slope and a point. Take slope and a point and we will find equation of a line. Now we got slope. M is equal to -1 and a point P x1 comma y1 is equal to -1 comma 4. First bit, equation of a line. What is equation of a line? When slope M and a point P x1 y1 is y minus y1 is equal to M into x minus x1. Y minus 4 is equal to M is -1 into x plus 1, because minus into minus plus. Y minus 4 is equal to -x minus 1. Bring to right hand side to left hand. X plus y minus 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 3 is equal to 0, or you can write as x plus y is equal to 3. Now coming to problem. What they are telling? A point is on x-axis. A is on x-axis. What is the meaning of x-axis? A is on x-axis means y is equal to 0. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. So in the place of y you write 0. X plus 0 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. What are the coordinates of A? Means 3 comma 0. So here 3 comma 0. Next, B is on y-axis. What is the meaning of that one? Means x is equal to 0. This time 0 plus y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. Therefore, B is equal to 0 comma 3. So B is on 0 comma 3. Are you able to follow? Still we have to find midpoint of M. Therefore, the coordinates of A and B are 3 comma 0 and 0 comma 3 respectively. Why respectively? I told you. First one for first one, second for second. A coordinates, B coordinates. Now they are asking third bit. What third bit they are asking? Coordinates of M. What is M? M is the midpoint of AB. M is the midpoint of AB. You know formula for midpoint. What is the formula? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Which one is x1? Which one is y1? A is x1 y1. What are the coordinates? 3 comma 0. B is x2 by 2. What are the coordinates? 0 comma 3. So that is equal to 3 plus 0 by 2 comma 0 plus 3 by 2. So what is the answer, miss? 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Therefore, the coordinates of midpoint of AB, midpoint of AB, that is M is equal to 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2. This is the conclusion. They told to find the coordinates of M. We got the coordinates of the midpoints of AB are, that is M is equal to 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2. 15th problem. A straight line passes through the points A 2 comma minus 4 and B 5 comma minus 2. Find first bit the slope of the line AB, second bit the equation of the line AB, third bit the value of K if AB passes through the point P K plus 3 comma K minus 4. So solution given, what they have given, 2 points they have given. A x1 y1 is equal to 2 comma minus 4 and B x2 comma y2 is equal to 5 comma minus 2. First bit they are asking to find slope of AB, slope of the line AB. We know the formula. We represent slope with M, and the formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is equal to minus 2 minus of minus means plus 4 by 5 minus 2, that is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2, 5 minus 2 is 3. So how much we got slope? 2 by 3. Therefore, M is equal to 2 by 3. So first bit completed. Coming to the second bit. What is the second bit? Equation of a line AB. So equation of a line AB when slope M and a point A x1 y1 given is, what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to M into x minus x1. Are you able to follow? So y minus means minus into minus plus 4 is equal to M we got as 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into x minus x1 minus 2 minus 2. Now simplify. Now do cross multiplication. 3 into y plus 4 is equal to 2 into x minus 2. 3 into y 3y plus 3 fours are 12 is equal to 2 into x 2x plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4. Bring from left ones to right. 2x minus 3y minus 4 minus 12 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3y minus 16 is equal to 0. Now we got the equation of a line. Now the third bit, they are asking to find the value of k. They are asking to find the value of k. They have given the points p, k plus 3 comma k minus 4. They have given p x comma y, p k plus 3 comma k minus. In the place of x you substitute this one. In the place of y you substitute k minus 2. So 2 into k plus 3 minus 3 into k minus 4. P x comma y, first x coordinate, y coordinate, x value, y value, we substitute in the places of x and y. Minus 16 is equal to 0. 2k plus 6 minus 3k, minus into minus plus 3 fourths 12 minus 16 is equal to 0. 2k minus 3k is minus k. 6 plus 12 is 18. 18 minus 16 is plus 2 is equal to 0. Now minus k is equal to minus 2. Minus minus get cancelled. K is equal to 2. Therefore the value of k is equal to 2. That is the way of solving this problem. 16th problem. If A 3 comma 4, B 7 comma minus 2 and C minus 2 comma minus 1 are the vertices of a triangle ABC, write down the equation of the median through the vertex C. See all of you here. Triangle ABC. A, B, C. Median. Median means midpoint. Divides into two equal parts. Median means. Now A they have given 3 comma 4. B they have given 7 comma minus 2. And C they have given minus 2 comma minus 1. M we have to find. Solution given. The three vertices of triangle ABC are A x1 comma y1 is equal to 3 comma 4. B x2 comma y2 is equal to 7 comma minus 2. And C x3 comma y3 is equal to minus 2 comma minus 1. Now first find midpoint. Midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB is equal to, what is the formula? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Now that is equal to 3 plus 7 by 2 comma 4 minus 2 by 2. That is equal to 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 by 2 comma 2 by 2. 2 goes 5 times. 2 goes 1 time. So M is equal to what is we got? 5 comma 1. So we got 5 comma 1. Now they are asking to find the equation of the median. This is CM or MC is the median. So first find slope. Slope of MC is equal to same. M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. M you think as x1 y1. How much you got? 5 comma 1. C you think as x2 comma y2. That is minus 2 comma minus 1. Now substitute. -1 -1 by -2 -5, that is equal to -2 by -7, minus minus get cancelled, slope is 7 by 2. Therefore m is equal to slope is equal to, or slope is equal to m is equal to, right, slope that is equal to m is equal to 2 by 7. Now equation of a line, equation of a line is median only, CM. Equation of the line, when slope m and a point x1 comma y1 is, here you are thinking as either you can take as C or you can take as M. Take M, easy one, is equal to 5 comma 1 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Sir, I will take -2 comma -1 means you can take out of these 2 points any one you can take, same equation will come. Y minus 1 is equal to m 2 by 7 into x minus 5, cross multiply, 7 into y minus 1 is equal to 2 into x minus 5. 7y minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 5. Bring left ones to right. So 2x minus 7y minus 5 plus 7 is equal to 0. Simplify. 2x minus 7y plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of the line, 1 minute, here we did wrong. Once all of you see, 2x minus 2 5s are 10. 10. Now simplify. Bring this left one to right side. So 2x minus 7y minus 10 plus 7 is equal to 0. Simplify. 2x minus 7y minus 10 plus 7 is minus 3 is equal to 0. Here I have multiplied only with x. With 5 also we have to multiply. So don't do wrongs like this, like me. So please verify, check, cross check, then you will be understanding. Therefore, the equation of a line is equal to 2x minus 7y minus 3 is equal to 0.